Hey guys, so today we are going to make the book corner. It's a bookmark that looks like a corner. It just slides right on. You can always see where you're at. All right, so you're going to need some cardstock, tape, a ruler, and a pencil, and a pair of scissors for this tutorial. So the first thing you're going to do is construct an oblong 2 inches by 4 inches. So we placed marks at 4 inches, that's a lot better. And then gone up to 2 inches and placed some marks. All right, and now we're going to draw a line. Let's do this. So draw up from your 4-inch mark up to 2 inches. And then draw a line across. And now we have a 2 by 4 inch square that we are going to cut out. How are you guys doing? How are your homeschools doing? Did your kids cry today? Do you think they're going to eat all of their lunch? We're having bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwiches for lunch, so I bet my kids will eat them. All right, so now they want you to fold it in half. You can also just measure 2 inches, and then draw a line up, but I just fold it in half. All right, now we're gonna fold the upper left corner down to the middle of the bottom at that fold point. And then we're gonna fold the upper right corner down to the middle, fold. Now they say to use that gummed stuff to put it together from the 1900s. We live in the modern world, so we're gonna use tape. You're just gonna tape it and then you can decorate it, but this is the book corner. You can now decorate your book corner, and it's different from a bookmark. This is a bookmark that I made just quickly. As you can just slide it on the corner of your book, just like that. Right there. And then you can always see where you're at. This is our history book that we're doing this year. What do you guys think?